Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Twohungry Travelers. Okay, today I'm going to explain my favorite food. Okay, you know why? Because coming the October 24 is Deepavali. Okay, it is an Indian festival of light.
Speak
Okay,
in Tamil for your countrymen.
Tamil, South Indian, mostly North Indians they celebrate nicely because of they have too much of lightings. For few like 1 week they will celebrate like that. In India, in South India also they will celebrate Deepavali. And today this weekend, so I asked my wife also to cook sambar. She knows how to cook sambar. I buy every ingredient here in the online only. Okay, see here. This is Appalam. Okay, in Tamil Appalam like that.
Appalam.
Chips like the crunchy one. Okay, and this one
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு.
in Tamil.
In Tamil.
Nice masala. And this one Sambar. Okay, it's same like curries. In Nalakana they used to tell curries. In Tamil Tavaram Barupu. In English they tell tur dal. Okay, and potato, tomato, and
What do you call this? Small seed? No, the thing.
that is for frying
Yeah.
mustard.
Mustard and the other one, the brown thing.
Jeera.
Jeera. Because I like
That's
it.
for
I
fry.
really like the smell.
See, like, and then today it's my favorite food, very hot.
And
Oh,
my mother-in-law always cook this one very nice.
my mother-in-law.
Yeah.
I mean, my her mother-in-law means my mother. Actually, my mother, she makes her own masala by herself.
The
She
stone
will
one
grind
like that.
in the stone. Ammi. She
Ammi?
used to do. My mother. Okay.
She cook very nice. I cannot copy her sambar.
It's very in my all generation in my family, like in my sister, my mother's sister, no one can compete my mother. Everyone like the taste. Everyone will come and take, and my cousin
In
everyone will come.
Philippines, we do this one as a curry, vegetable curry.
Okay, I will put today.
Because Indian, they are the originally, tama ba English ko? Originally, they are the one,
Curry.
like, that's why we, here in Philippines, we say curry. Kari-kari. The kari-kari is from, originated by Indian. Iwan ko may, some Indian, how do you call that one? They will come here.
Mumbai
No, they will come and do something.
export.
I don't know how to say. Hindi ko maisip. Parang pupuntas lang sila dito, magbakasyon, tapos i-adapt yung ano nila. Parang kay yung Thailand na nakaasawa ng Thailander, yung microbiology. His father,
Technology.
the father of that one, he go a lot of countries.
The Mark Wings,
The father of Mark Wings. Oh, they are fans of
Mark
him.
Wings sister. He is my role model
In
that is
vlogging.
why vlogging it makes me to do for
It's
me
tempting.
also tempting. It's not like tempting. It's I want to do same like, but we cannot do same like
You
Mark
cannot
Wings.
beat him.
But Mark Wings is for
Is
me. He is
Mentor.
he's like he's a guide. I used to watch his video a lot.
Me also.
The way he is eating, it's very
travel
nice. It
to
tempts me.
That's why we started also our own one.
He treats the food very nice. He never waste anything. I can see that one by his face reaction itself. He never say anything like that. No. He'll enjoy the food.
We are a
Whatever
blogger,
he eats.
but he's also a blogger, but we follow whatever he do. It's not that we're copying or what, we have
But-
our own version. But some we like,
He like
like
to eat chili
this.
same like me. For me also I like eat chili.
See, some
Okay.
his favorite one with papadam. And it's if it is nicer if we have with yogurt. We try to order in Shopee, but out of stock. So So
Out of stock.
he like to eat like that way, yogurt, papadam plus sambar and bhaji.
Bhaji, we will try
Bhaji
to cook
the one with the chili,
chili, long bhaji.
long chili.
Long chili. And also potato they cook. And then the onion bhaji.
And like this,
Raw banana.
if it is that one with yogurt, that's the nice
It's
combination.
not
for
like that is chutney, coconut
no,
chutney.
what I mean is
Bhaji
sometimes
for that one.
ano, yogurt plus this one plus
bhaji.
because we don't have, we're not in India. You can buy easily in any store,
Yeah.
right? But for
I'm hungry, sorry guys.
you never call us manganan.
Magan
Ay,
tayo.
he's hungry. He just finished his work on that
Yeah,
stick.
hungry.
And he's
Okay guys, I will enjoy the food part.
manganan, guys.
Mangan.
I forgot to take that one.
Hmm?
The one I cooked last night,
Potato, mashed potato.
like this, mashed potato. This is potato. I will share. Because he like to eat potato. Ay!
Ay.
Sorry. Ay, hala, ang dami kong kan. Later, gonna eat this one. You want the egg? Later, you gonna eat. Okay, guys, manganan. And how's my sambar today?
Nice.
This one with the eggplant from my eggplant from there, right? Okay. I'll take some more sambar. Just no. You want potato? Some potato?
Once I finish up,
Okay. I want only the soup of the sambar. I'll take some more. You say my bilas also bilas with them.
my villa is also like this one.
Oh, the sambar. Bilas, my brother-in-law.
And the brother-in-law,
But our nephew also they like to eat this because of the spiciness. They like Indian food mostly, especially chicken curry.
you take this one when you are cooking.
The chicken curry.
No, this one.
No.
Just this one only, yeah.
I never show you this, guys, when I'm cooking because they're a little bit smoky.
Tasty, right?
Oh. Perfect. Not enough salt.
No, enough.
This one have salamangay. Sampalot.
The tamarind water.
Today Indian food kasi yun ang gusto niya. Pero mamaya, later I'm gonna cook pork.
What? Saya? What?
What's that?
Sigang.
No, dinuguan.
Oh, for nanay.
Hi, Rambo! Rambo wants to jump there. They're hungry also. They never eat their breakfast.
This food.
Dog. Our dog.
Rambo.
Rambo. See, that's why they come here roaming because they're hungry also. After we're gonna eat it here, I will feed them. Oh yeah. It's still 10 o'clock. Some chicken also. Oh, the chili, guys. You see the chili, very small.
Small but very spicy.
You have like this in India? You have? I have you guys.
But mostly big.
This is very spicy.
This one everybody they will put in here. India they will put.
Artam. We make it artam, that one. Okay. But be careful. Very spicy. Once you have that, you go to your ears like that.
Right? Spicy.
Manghang. What is spicy in Tamil?
Karam.
Karam.
I also put that spicy.
You have?
I take
This
this
one.
one.
Yeah, I have a lot of same like Indian food, too much rice. In India,
And rasam also nice.
tomorrow I'm gonna cook rasam. I'm gonna show you guys how I will cook. It's very simple only.
Mm.
Rasam, one of his favorite. But this one, which one you like most? Rasam or sambar?
Both, it's nice. You mix together nice.
No, you need to select.
Sambar. And then rasam also.
Because every time we go to my parents-in-law, my mother-in-law always cook because she asked to cook. My mother-in-law to cook sambar.
She.
She, he.
Ah.
But now my mother-in-law no more, so
Okay guys,
okay.
we need to finish up the food and it's taking time also. And thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Twohungry Travelers and also follow our new Facebook page Indianong Pinoy and also another page Twohungry Travelers, the same name. Okay guys, bye. God bless everyone.
Happy weekends, everyone.
I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job.